Hello everyone, and thank you for joining Soria e-commerce. Today we're going to do a product review of the Samsung Note 10. My assistant is going to open up the case. Now on this phone I noticed that it's a little bit shorter because of the bezels. You get the same screen size, just smaller bezels. And let's see what's behind this nice box. We have a power adapter and some headphones. And let's see what's behind the power adapter. Looks like there's a little USB adapter in there. All right, let's take this apart and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's the USB-C to a traditional USB outlet. And also included in this is a little clamp so you can take out the S-Note pen replacement tips. And it looks like we have a USB-C cable right there. It looks pretty long. And it looks like we have some AKG headphones there. Pretty long cable. And we'll see what's in this. Looks like maybe some paperwork. And a little pin to open up the SIM card area. Let's see what's inside there paperwork-wise. This particular version came directly from Samsung as an unlocked phone. So the first one says transfer what's important. And here's the extra earphones. If you notice, it's a USB-C, which is nice. And it has some covers there, so it's pretty nice. Then we have the terms and conditions. And some other instructions on charging the device and the SIM card. And it's packaged with a screen protector. So that was one of the nice things, is I just left the screen protector on the new phone. Now you might notice on the side, on the left side, you have the power button and the volume button. And unlike previous version, there's no buttons on the other side. This is the other side and no buttons. Then you have the S Pen on the right, the USB-C port in the middle, you have a microphone and the speakers on the bottom. And on the top you have the SIM card that just pops out and some other items on top. Okay, and with the Note 10 I paired it with a OtterBox case, and it's a two-piece. We're going to take it apart here. So it has a inner kind of a rubbery shell, and then on the back side you have a harder plastic. And if you'll notice, there's a circle in the middle. One of them is cut out, and the other one, that's for the to be able to use the wireless charging, so it doesn't block the sensitivity of it, and it works great. And once again, that's the OtterBox for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and it's a pretty nice model. Okay, and so here's the phone installed in the OtterBox, and it's a good fit. If you look in the bottom, it has a cover over the USB-C area, so it kind of protects it. You can still see the S Pen You can still come out. I always leave it a little popped open and it stays where it should be. And here's the left side. And then the top. And so that's the Samsung Note 10. Thank you for joining us today, and please subscribe to Soria e-commerce. Thank you very much.